Callaway Tita, and welcome to my What's in My Bag for 2026. So the big reveal, ano na yung mga bag kong clubs. First of all, my new driver is a Callaway Quantum Max Fast with a loft of 12. So ito yung aking bagong driver. Ito yung dinemo test ko, guys, from Transview Philippines and Callaway. Thank you, Transview. So ito ang aking bagong driver. And also bago din ang aking mga woods. So I have a 5. Ganon din siya, Callaway Quantum Max Fast. 5 at saka 7 woods. Ano ba ito? 7 woods. So ito ang aking dalawang woods. Quantum Max Fast. Okay. So, and then guys, ang biggest change sa aking what's in my bag ay wala na akong irons. Bye-bye irons. Goodbye irons. I don't need you. Because hindi ko siya, guys, matira. Nagpalit na ako. Lahat na ng tinry ko, lahat na ng irons tinry ko, hindi ko talaga siya matira, guys. So, nag-convert ako to hybrids. I have 4 hybrids until 9. So, 4, meron akong 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Ito yung 9, guys. Kaya lang ito, guys, yung lahat yung hybrids ko is Callaway Quantum Max Fast except my hybrid 9. My hybrid 9 is Big Bertha na Callaway. So, ito siya, guys. So, yan na mga ginagamit ko ngayon. Wala na akong irons. Actually, isa lang yung irons ko is 8. Pero, I just have it para pagka kailangan ko umalis from the bunker, or from kailangan ko mag punch out, yun ang ginagamit ko, yung 8 kong irons. Okay. Tapos, meron akong pitching, at saka ang aking, saan na yung approach, and then also, yung aking sand, and of course, andito pa rin ang aking putter ngayon. So, dalawa yung putter ko, yung Odyssey A1 Dual. Pero pinapractice ko pa siya, guys. Kailangan pa namin magkasundo muna. And ito yung aking original, na hindi ko pa napalitan to. Ito yung aking PXG na putter. Blackjack. Ito yung customized na putter to. Ito yung nakuha ko from Eric Chong ng Impact Golf. So this is my putter. So guys, ang big change sa akin is wala na akong irons. Puro hybrids na ako nag-convert. Nag-iwan ako ng irons, kayong 8 irons para mag-punch at saka lumabas sa mga fairway bunker. So, depende yun, guys, sa inyo. Like, kasi ako, guys, nagkaroon ako ng problems sa irons ko. So, isang sinuggest sa akin was to convert to irons. So, meron palang hybrid hanggang 9 na irons. So, lahat nag-convert na ako to irons. And for me, it was a good change because I was having really problems with my irons. Hindi siya accurate. Kasi hindi ko siya matira. Pero pag binigyan mo ko ng hybrid, sobra akong confident na tirahin. And yung I used kasi my irons before for my approach shots. So nung ginamit ko yung hybrid, mas maganda yung lipad niya and also mas siya, accurate. Hindi siya kung saan pumupunta. So depende yun sa inyo, guys. If you think you need you can't use your irons, then I suggest that you might want to try using hybrids. So like me, because I already converted to hybrids. And what I saw kasi, guys, dun sa laro ko was that I was able to bring my scores down because of that change. So it really depends on your game, and parang dapat i-analyze or i-evaluate yung laro nyo, yung saan ba yung mga strength nyo, yung mga weaknesses nyo. So para makita nyo if pag mag-change ba kayo ng clubs, would it help your game? So for me, in my case, it did help my game, and maybe this could also help your game also. So that is my new what's in my bag for 2026. Thank you very much to Transview and to Callaway. I already made the big change to Callaway. I'll see you guys in the fairway.